You talk of amazing pharmaceutical services. Mari, look at
Thank you. So far, media is about 34 cameras already energized and connected to the system. We will, of course, escalate it. The ENG China Association is here. They are going to make an announcement to, hand over all the cameras that they have set up already in the city, which is already over, I think, 100 or 200. So we will have a lot of, but as you can see, the screen is limited, but as we have explained, it's supported by artificial intelligence. So while the screen only shows some areas, the AI is watching all the cameras. So if there's an incident somewhere that is not on the screen, the AI will flip it over and the screen will appear immediately. So some people think it's like stuff now, no, watch out. AI watching you stuff. AI will build a profile of people who are habitual criminals or engage in criminal activities. So it will profile you by where you live, your houses, your car, and importantly, your associate. And the Prime Minister is also as the